90% of people would be detected in under 5 minutes if a thermal drone was actively scanning the area. Not because they're careless, not because they're unprepared, but because they misunderstand the enemy. Thermal surveillance doesn't hunt people, it hunts contrast. It doesn't care who you are or how well you're hidden from human eyes. If your body heat stands out from the environment, you become data, and data becomes a target. Today, we're breaking down 7 proven thermal evasion principles that work when machines are watching. First, the suspended thermal shield. The most common mistake with reflective material is wrapping it tightly around your body. That doesn't hide heat, it traps it. Your body heat conducts straight into the material, and within minutes, the surface warms into a perfect thermal silhouette. The principle that works is separation. A suspended barrier with an air gap blocks upward radiation while allowing heat to disperse sideways. Layer it with natural debris. To a sensor overhead, you look like ground. Second, the urban physics loophole: glass. Here's a counterintuitive fact. Most thermal cameras cannot see through glass. Long-wave infrared radiation doesn't pass cleanly through it. Instead, the sensor sees the surface temperature of the glass itself, or its own reflection. A person standing behind a closed window can be thermally invisible from outside. But there's a catch. This only defeats thermal imaging. Switch to optical cameras and the illusion instantly collapses. This isn't invisibility. It's sensor-specific blindness. Third, the anti-thermal Ghillie. Traditional camouflage was designed to fool humans. AI doesn't think like humans. Modern detection algorithms look for statistical patterns, especially the head and shoulders silhouette combined with consistent heat output. A standard Ghillie suit still looks like a warm, human-shaped object. The goal isn't invisibility, it's irrelevance. Break your recognizable geometry, match your surface temperature to your surroundings, and the algorithm discards you as background noise. You're not hidden, you're ignored. Fourth, layered thermal masking. Advanced concealment isn't one material, it's layers. An inner reflective layer redirects heat inward. An insulating middle layer slows conduction. An outer surface mimics the emissivity of soil or stone. But the system has limits. Stay too long and heat eventually bleeds through. Press it against warm ground and you create a suspicious cold void, just as noticeable as a hot spot. Thermal sensors don't look for hot, they look for different. Fifth, horizontal heat diffusion. Sealing a shelter completely is one of the most dangerous thermal mistakes. Heat builds, pressure rises, and when it escapes, it vents upward in a concentrated plume unmistakable from altitude. The physics solution is horizontal diffusion. Allow warm air to bleed slowly through earth or dense material, dispersing energy gradually instead of in a burst. You can't stop heat movement, you can only make it boring. Sixth, thermal crossover. Twice a day, physics briefly works in your favor. At dawn and dusk, ground temperature and air temperature equalize. Contrast drops. Thermal images flatten into gray. This is called thermal crossover. During these windows, detection range collapses dramatically. Movement that would be obvious at night becomes statistically invisible, not because sensors fail, but because the environment masks everything equally. Timing matters more than speed. And seventh, heat decoys. When concealment isn't an option, confusion becomes your tool. Thermal sensors and their operators must classify what they see. Multiple heat sources force hesitation. Animals, terrain, chemical reactions, residual warmth, they all look similar from a distance. Every false signal increases uncertainty. Every moment of uncertainty buys time. You're not hiding heat, you're diluting meaning. Thermal surveillance doesn't care about your gear, your training, or your intentions. It only understands pixels, gradients, and probability. If you glow, you exist. If you exist, you're tracked. But when you understand how heat behaves, how it moves, spreads, and blends, you stop fighting the sky and start shaping what it sees. The machine is always watching. It never blinks. Your job is to make sure it sees nothing worth remembering.